what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my home series. We moved into an older house this summer and we have been going complete fixer-upper on this space. So far I've shared with you guys the complete transformation of my walk-in closet and filming room and our living room, and for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the complete transformation of our kitchen. We ended up completely tearing the kitchen out. We basically started from scratch and rebuilt this from the ground up, so I can't wait to show you guys the before and after and for you to see this transformation. So if you guys like home content, if you like seeing renovations and transformations and organization and cleaning videos, please give this video a thumbs up to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. If you like home content, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram as well, because I'm sharing my daily updates over there, and I also am doing monthly giveaways, so if you'd like a chance to enter to win, make sure to go follow me over there. Wanted to say a huge thank you to Verishop for partnering with me and sponsoring today's video. Verishop is an elevated, verified, and reliable shopping experience with some of the best brands and products, best-in-class customer service, price matching, and easy and free shipping and returns. They have women's and men's fashion, home, kids, electronics, beauty, and wellness. They have a customer first policy with free returns and exchanges, 24/7 customer support via email, phone, text, and more. I love all of their women's clothing brands. They have so many of my favorite brands, from A Gold to Free People to Joe's Jeans to Love Shack Fancy, and so many more. Verishop is one of my personal favorite places to shop for unique and on-trend clothing. My outfit right now is actually from Verishop. I also love their home decor and cookware. We personally went to Verishop during our kitchen remodel to upgrade some of our kitchen tools, which I will actually show you guys what we ended up getting later in the video. Verishop will price match any competitor if you go through support, and they have incredible holiday deals and offers, like their upcoming Singles Day sale, which features 11 days of special deals to spoil yourself. They're offering 10% off full price styles from November 1st through 10th with the code FALLFAVES, as well as even more savings on other specific brands. Huge thank you again to Verishop for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into my fixer-upper complete kitchen transformation and makeover. The very first thing we did before even getting to the kitchen was replace the flooring in the house. There was an orange laminate flooring that went throughout the entire first floor, and there was no lighting in the house. So we added can lights to the entire first floor to really brighten up the space and bring so much light to the rooms. It wasn't one room yet, but it was about to be. If you guys saw my living room transformation, you've already seen me talk about the flooring and the can lights, so I will link that video down below if you'd like to see more on that. We also ended up repainting the entire first floor, which you guys will see. The paint color we ended up going with for the whole first level is Sherwin-Williams Pure White. I really love the way this color turned out. I think it looks so bright, it's so crisp, so clean, but it's not clinical and it doesn't feel cold. So if you're looking for the perfect white, I personally love how this white looked in our space. The original floor plan had a wall dividing the living area from the kitchen and dining area. So there were two separate living areas from each other. The house was built in the 1940s and had all of the original things in it, like the cabinets and the soffits in the wall, which meant that the cabinets were a much smaller size than a traditional cabinet today, which also meant that the appliances were on the smaller side. So everything was kind of miniature sized in this kitchen. You could also see that the original placement for the appliances were still in place. Like the stove was floating in the middle of the kitchen, which I'm guessing back in the day was like the original island. It was probably really unique and different at the time, but for today, it was just a floating stove in the middle of the room. There was no seating, there was no storage. We knew that this living and kitchen and dining space could be completely transformed, and we had a couple of goals when taking on this project. Our first goal was to make it an open concept floor plan. Our second goal was to add more storage, and our third goal was to make the kitchen entirely more functional by adding full-size cabinets, full-size appliances, and more counter space. So to do the open concept, we first needed to knock out that main wall that was separating the kitchen and dining area from the living room. Knocking out the wall in the center of the room brought so much more natural light into this open concept room, and it made the house flow so much better. And if you guys saw in my living room transformation video where we had a lot of difficulties with the staircase and like some people we worked with just weren't the best, we actually had an amazing time doing our kitchen transformation. Everyone we worked with was amazing, and our contractor was literally the best. I can't say enough good things about how this project went, and I'm just so excited with the end result. There were so many unique things about it, like the stove was floating in the middle of the room. There was an original cutting board that pulled out from one of the cabinets that was there. There were soffits in the wall, making everything smaller and much more miniature sized. And then we even found out some funny things about the dishwasher. This is literally a stainless steel sticker. It's not even a stainless steel dishwasher. We knew we needed to change the kitchen layout if we wanted to add more storage and make it more functional. So we completely knocked out the soffits in the wall, which also meant the cabinets had to go and could not be reused. This meant that we could actually build full-size cabinets and pick exactly what we wanted in this kitchen. We ended up doing a complete wall of cabinets across the main wall of the kitchen, and we brought the cabinets all the way up to the ceiling with the molding. This added so much more storage to the kitchen, and I love the visual impact it makes of having the cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling with the molding. I really think it makes a big statement for a small space. We knew that we were going to be rerouting where the stove was and where the fridge was, so we ended up leaving the original water line in place for the sink and the dishwasher placement. So we actually ended up building onto the wall that was in place for the kitchen to make it flow and be larger. This way we could also have a larger kitchen island that would still line up with the fridge and be symmetrical with the rest of the space. We rerouted the stove so it was no longer just floating in the middle of the room. So this meant that the island could actually just purely be for storage and workspace and eating space. Since this still is a smaller size kitchen, we really wanted to make the maximum visual impact we could. We ended up going with a combined quartz countertop and backsplash for a really seamless look. The quartz we used is Calcutta Laza. It's the same quartz that I have right here behind me in my filming room, and I knew I loved the impact that this quartz made, and I wanted it again in our kitchen. The quartz combined with the matte black faucet really makes such a statement in this room, and I absolutely love how it turned out. The combined countertop and backsplash look is also super easy to keep clean, so it's very functional. One of the biggest changes in this kitchen was the island that we added. I love not only the function it adds, but the amount of storage and the fact that we can eat together as a family at this island. Now we have space to store all of our utensils, all of our cookware. We have a place for the microwave, plus a spot where we can hang out and have breakfast together. It really makes this room look so much more inviting, and it's so functional. So we ended up using a lot of black in the living and kitchen area as kind of an accent color to give some contrast to the space with our staircase, with our hardware, with the faucet. So we actually ended up getting some new electronics for our kitchen. We ended up getting a black Smeg drip coffee maker and a black Smeg water kettle. If you guys know me and Cody, we are big coffee and tea drinkers. So this was a very exciting upgrade for us. We actually found the Smeg products on Verishop. Verishop has some amazing electronics and appliances and cookware and home decor. So whether you are redoing your space like us or you were just looking to add to the aesthetic appeal of your space, I highly encourage you to check out Verishop and all of the amazing brands and products they have there. They are having their Singles Day sale right now, and I will link them down below in the description in case you want to check them out. This open concept layout is so much more functional for our family. We absolutely love how this makeover turned out. There is so much more natural light in this space. It feels so bright, it feels so open, it feels so clean in here. I love that we can all be in the same space together. I love that my daughter can be playing with her toys in the living room, and I can be making lunch for her in the kitchen, and we're still in the same space together. This new floor plan just flows so well. It's so functional for us. And there is so much more storage on the main level now, so this truly makes this a space that we can use and love every day. If you guys like seeing this complete transformation, please give the video a thumbs up to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, a huge thank you to Verishop for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you'd like to enter my monthly giveaway, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!